Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 25th of April, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of April 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.18. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it progresses in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating the likelihood of further decreases. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 14.54% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 36.77% to positive 1.75%. Expanding our view to the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 11.16%. Our calculations suggest the stock's performance could vary between negative 31.67% and positive 48.47% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this means the future price may fall between $2.75 and $5.98. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, NIO stock downgraded from buy candidate to sell candidate after the trading session on Friday. The NIO stock price experienced a decline of 3.59% on the last day, Friday, the 25th of April, 2025, dropping from $4.18 to $4.03. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.53%, with a day low at $3.97 and a day high of $4.11. The price has risen in 8 out of the last 10 days, showing an increase of 22.87% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, volume decreased on the last day along with the stock price, which is actually a positive indicator as volume should ideally follow the stock's movements. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 17 million shares, with a total of 38 million shares traded for approximately $152 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $7.71, while the lowest price was $3.02. Currently, the price stands at 47.73%, or $3.68, below the 52-week high, and 93.98%, or $62.96, below the all-time high reached on January 11, 2021, when the price soared to $66.99. NIO has been making headlines as its stock continues to recover, showing a significant rise over the past week. This resurgence comes after a challenging period influenced by tariff-related market volatility that has affected many players in the global automotive sector. Investors are reacting positively, with NIO shares gaining traction, reaching their highest levels since early April. The company's future prospects remain optimistic as CEO William Li expressed confidence in breaking even by the fourth quarter of 2025, despite fierce competition. This ambitious target, along with the upcoming launch of the Firefly electric vehicle into the European market in the third quarter, could build momentum and potentially attract more investors interested in the electric vehicle space. Short-term price movements may be largely driven by market sentiment regarding tariffs and company-specific developments like product launches and profit forecasts. Over the long term, NIO's ability to meet ambitious operational goals will be a key factor in sustaining investor trust and stock price performance. As the electric vehicle market continues to evolve, NIO's strategic choices will likely shape its financial trajectory and stock valuation in the years to come. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was also reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was additionally reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly referred to as MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development of the stock. The NIO stock indicates a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates an overall sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative forecast. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $4.09. Conversely, if the stock falls, it will find support from the short-term average at $3.79. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while falling below the short-term average will add an additional sell signal, thereby reinforcing the general trend. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, April 24, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 3.59%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased in tandem with the price during the last trading day, which mitigates the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 33 days ago. The short-term moving average has provided a buy signal from 11 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 22 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 17 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.98, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band classifies the stock as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 14 cents between its high and low points, reflecting a change of 3.53%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 4.83%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for NIO, let's briefly explore some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies may go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios can suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are projecting a loss of 22 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO stands at $4.22. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $3.98. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Due to certain minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our valuation from a buy to a sell recommendation since the last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 28th of April, we anticipate that NIO will open higher by approximately 670 cents and begin trading at $4.04. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.